Today I'll be making my spin on the American Super Bowl feast chicken wings. I'm going to make a little bit of a Middle Eastern spin to it. We've got some cumin, got some paprika, and we got a touch of cinnamon in the wings as well to give it that little bit of sweet kick. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do so. At a beginner channel like mine, it makes a huge difference. So please smash that subscribe button. Easy recipe that you can do at home. Ready in like 20 minutes. You can make the sauce while the wings are actually in the air fryer. So how we start? We got a bowl with some cumin, garlic powder. We got coriander seed powder, sweet paprika, and a little bit of cinnamon as well. All the measurements will be in the description. We chuck that on our chicken. We got a half to 3/4 of a tablespoon of baking powder that we're also going to mix into that. And make it extra crispy in the air fryer under the due heat. Now also we're going to put black pepper and sea salt, just season to taste, yeah? Do what you like. If I added a little bit of salt and that's not enough for you, it's too much, it's your fault. It's not my fault. You're the one to blame. Why'd you do that? All right. That's our salt too. I'm gonna go as my heart desires. That's about how much I want. This is about 700 grams of chicken wings. So let's give it a good mix. How easy was that? Literally just put the seasonings in. Don't lose the chicken. One chicken weighs 60 grams. We will notice his missing presence. Up, come back. All right. We get our air fryer. We're gonna chuck them in directly into the air fryer at 80 for about 20 minutes. Every 5 minutes, we're gonna take the air fryer out and we're gonna mix it through. Now for our sauce, we have our sour cream, dollop of sour cream, about 150 grams. We got our squeeze of yellow mustard. We're gonna be putting, this is the magic mix. We got turmeric powder, sweet paprika, garlic powder, and cumin. We're gonna put that in. And this is the secret ingredient. Get yourself some fermented garlic or jalapenos or whatever. And we're just gonna use the water. Ooh, shit. That fucking physical thing that happens whenever you don't pour quick enough and it goes down the bottle. I hate that. But this is gonna taste good. So let's give this a mix through. This is gonna be our dipping sauce. Salt and pepper as well to taste. Okay, a little bit of pepper too. Give it that bit of spice. You can even put some chili powder or some gochujang chili powder as well if you want a bit of a heat. But I think this tastes perfect just the way it is. It looks so plain, right? But trust me, that sour cream base gives this such a good flavor. Sauce done. Oh, damn. Let's get a little bit more salt in there. Gorgeous. So now the first tossage, we're gonna check on our little lucky fingers here. Wait about 10 minutes before you do the first tossage. Look at that. Give it a quick toss, another 5 minutes. It's been about another 5 minutes. Let's chock on our wings, all right? Let's chock on them. You don't want to check on them. You want to chock on them. The more you chock, the more love will go into the recipe. Look at that. Oof. Oof. We're getting there. Probably another 5 minutes. I want it to caramelize just a little bit more. Chuck it back in. I think we are done. Look at that. It's after about a good 25 minutes in the air fryer. Whew, I love it. All right, let's get this into a bowl. Look at that. Just have a look at that. So you got the sour cream dipping sauce on top. You got your freshly cooked chicken wings with a bit of coriander sprinkled on top. Yum. How about I give this a taste test in front of you guys? Let's do it, eh? Let's fucking do it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. All right. Let's give it a taste test on its own. Not too bad. Could have been a bit better. It's honestly like a 3 out of 10. Psych! It's fucking fire. Let's give it a taste with the dipping sauce. Oh, that's so juicy, man. So juicy, so crispy. Oh man, forget it. No words. Guys, thanks for watching. If you like this content, as I said, give me a subscribe. It really helps out the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.